AG Labs. My name is Ben. Hello, welcome to the micro soldering show. And today we got a new setup. So I'm completely cable free now, completely cable free now, because I changed the microphone. I got a Rode now, which works without cable. So no cable connection from the PC to me. And I can just walk through the room and talk to you, and I hope that the audio quality will be better than before. I think before it was okay too, but let's see if we got a better audio quality. So what we do today is an iPhone SE, which was mailed in with the following form. The device doesn't turn on. Another repair shop said that the CPU is broken. We need the important data from the phone. Okay, let's see if we really have a CPU problem. And at first I want to use the ICC Pro V2, which will be available at the end of the next week here in Germany. We're just waiting for the package with about 500 ICC Pro. The rest has been already sold out completely, so it's only about 500 pieces and they are almost all reserved. So if you want to buy one, turn your order now at the website. So the ICC Pro V2 tells us check VCC main. Okay, let's see if we really have a VCC main problem, or if they disconnected the battery as they were doing the diagnosis before. I don't know what they did before, but for me it looked interesting, because they write the CPU is dead, and I want to see why they write this. Okay, battery is connected. So if battery is connected and not deeply discharged, I'm pretty sure we will have a VCC main short in this case. So we just open up this and let's take a cable, and we have a short on VCC main. So the ICC Pro was right again. So and now just think about that. You go with your phone to another repair shop and you tell them that you have important data on the phone, and that you really want to have them, and they tell you we can't do it and nobody can do it because the CPU is broken and it's only a VCC main short. People, just think about how you work. So it's no problem to tell the customer we can't do it, please go to another place, okay? Or you say, okay, I take the phone and I mail the phone to another repair shop who can fix that, and after that you can charge your customer and you can even earn some money on that. But for only a little VCC main short, I can't understand. I can't understand why people do things like that, but okay. Should be not our problem, because we can fix that and we can get the data back for the customer, and it's a fast turnaround. Like you see, you just have to take out the board, locate the shorted cap or the shorted IC or whatever, and then you can just fix that fast, and your customer has a working phone and all the important data are included with that repair. And it's no problem to do. So now we just take off the shield on the back side. Before I just lose the wire here, and now my good old Hecko board holder comes into the game. Now we just take the shield from the back side. Okay. And he's just doing an iPhone 11 EEPROM swap on a screen for an iPhone 11. Okay, peeled off. Now let's check by using the thermal cam. Let's check by using the thermal cam where we can find a short. Cool it down for a short time. After that, connect power supply. Hey, come on, baby. It's battery FPC out of an iPhone 7, but it works. And you see, just a shorted cap here. Have a look. So, just a little VCC main short on an iPhone SE. Let's get that, baby. Okay. Now we go under the microscope. And here we have the problem, which we can solve fast and easy. And because we have an A9 here, which has really problems with heat, we can just do it like peel that capacitor off. Just peel that capacitor off and check again. What about the short? And the short has been gone. And now we can just test if we can get to the data again. So it's only a test. I don't need to connect the wire. Okay, so let's check if that works again. Connect power supply, activate, push the power button, and wait. So, and boom, we are back to life again. Not a big problem, solved within 8 minutes, and it's no problem to solve that within 4 minutes or 3 minutes. So this is not a big repair video or something about how to change special things on these iPhones. It's just think about what you do. Don't tell your customer it's not fixable, it's a CPU problem, if it's only a little short on VCC main.
You know what? They just wanted nobody else to fix it. Like, if we can't fix it, then nobody will.
No, but that's I know that they wanted to do it like that, but that's just not correct. Okay, so here you can see that the phone is back again. The bars which we see are related to a not rightly connected FPC here. So, or to the copy screen, I don't know, but you see it's no problem to get the data after a really little problem like this. But what I wanted to show you within that video is that the ICC Pro works like a charm. and it's no problem to easy detect a VCC main short by using the ICC Pro V2. It's no problem, and your customer has the important data, so no CPU problem with that phone. Even if we had one, we could try to fix that, but not in this video because it's only a VCC main short. I hope you liked the video. For me, it's just a test run for the microphone and just a little goodie for you, because I didn't want to do a video for the next upcoming 4 weeks, but I received that beautiful microphone and I just wanted to test. So I love you, stay tuned, and if you want to learn things like that easily, watch my videos, share, join the Facebook group Smartphone Repair Group Germany if you want to do, but please answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you. And you see, it was just a not rightly connected touch flex on the top, so all is working, touch is working, screen is working, all is nice. I wish you a nice day, and order the ICC Pro V2 now on iccpro.de. I'm out, and we see us with the next one. Goodbye, here's Ben.